What's up, everybody? It's John with Home Buyer Louisiana. I'm actually in a house in New Orleans East in the Plum Orchard area. This one's pretty nice. I think they've got a small termite problem. I found some termite issues in the back of the house, but the front's looking good. The kitchen looks nice. Living area looks nice. It's spacious in the bedrooms, and they are just tired of fooling with it. They've moved, and they're ready to be done with this one. They've moved out of town. So we are, as I'm going through here, let me turn on this light. There we go. There's actually electricity here too, but yeah, we like it. It's nice. It is hard to sell houses over here, so what we'll probably do is rent it out, and we'll fix up a couple of the termite things and a couple little spots in the floor that I can feel. But overall, pretty happy with this one. So the sellers are happy. We've already agreed on a price. I just want to come kind of check it out and get a scope. So yeah, we buy houses really in any condition. And so if you've got one like this, if you're trying to sell it and you've moved, or you inherited it, or you just don't know what to do with it, check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form for a free cash offer, and we'll give you a call, and hopefully we'll be able to help you out. Thanks, and hope to talk to you soon. Cheers.